In previous class, we have seen 30th lesson. Now we are going to see of 31st one. Before that, let's see the words and have the picture of this. So, Adas Sarvanam means this. Asau, Amu, Ami, Pulling. Amum, Amu, Amun, Amuna, Amubhyam, Amibihi, Amushmai, Amubhyam, Amibhyah, Amushmat, Amubhyam, Amibhyah, Amushya, Amuyoho, Amisham, Amushmin, Amuyoho, Amishu. That was Pullinga. Neuter gender also will be the same apart from Prathama and Dvitiya. Adaha, Amu, Amuni, Adaha, Amu, Amuni. Rest of the part from Tritiya onwards. The Amuna, Amubhyam, Amibihi, Amushmai, Amubhyam, Amibhyah, Amushmat, Amubhyam, Amibhyah, Amusha, Amuyoho, Amisham, and Amushmin, Amuyoho, Amishu. This part will be the same like a Pullingi now. And Strilinga, it goes like Asau, Amu, Amuhu, Amum, Amu, Amuhu, Amuya, Amubhyam, Amubhihi, Amushmai, Amubhyam, Amubhyah, Amushaha, Amubhyam, Amubhyah, Amushaha, Amuyoho, Amusham, and Amusham, Amuyoho, Amushu. So, if you see the differences, only the difference is in Bahuvachanam, mainly, huh? Like here there was Ami, here there is Amuhu. Here it is Amun, it is Amuhu. Then like Ramaya, it is the same Amuya. And here it is Amibhihi for Pullinga. But here it is Amubhihi. The Ukaranta noun will continue in this case. Okay, like u. But here you see Ami, only this in this case ukar will be there. Then Amibihi, Amibhyah, Amibhyah, Amisham, and Amibihi. But in Strilinga, here it is Amuhu, Amuhu. Then Amubihi, Amubhyah, Amubhyah, Amusham, and Amu. This is how in Strilinga it differs. Rest of the part, if you know Sarvanam or the Kaha Sarvanam or Tat Sarvanam, it would be the Tasmai, like Amushmai, Tasmat, Amushmat, Tasya, Amushya, Tasmin, Amushmin. It is the same. And for
so does this Sarvanama and Tad Sarvanama have the same meaning?
All no, not Tad, Etat Sarvanam. Eshah, Etau, Ete, Asau, Amu, Ami is the same.
It's the same meaning.
Okay, next. This one pronoun will be highlighted, other Sarvanam will be highlighted in the Patha. Then again, this Idam Sarvanam also has the same meaning. The Idam Sarvanam also we are going to see. Ayam, Imau, Ime, Imam, Imau, Iman, Anena, Abhyam, Ebihi, Asmai, Abhyam, Ebyah, Asmat, Abhyam, Ebyah, Asya, Anayoho, Esham, Asmin, Anayoho, Eshu. This picture you should have while going through the sentences. So it will be easier for you to identify forms. Pullinga noun, if it is clear, then let's go with Napunsaka. It is Idam, Ime, Imani, Idam, Ime, Imani. Okay. Rest of the part, Anena, Abhyam, Ebihi, Asmai, Abhyam, Ebyah, Asmat, Abhyam, Ebyah, Asya, Anayoho, Esham, Asmin, Anayoho, Eshu is the same like a Pullinga. In Strilinga, it goes like Iyam, Ime, Imaha, Imam, Ime, Imaha, Anaya, Abhyam, Abihi, Asyai, Abhyam, Abhyah, Asyaha, Abhyam, Abhyah, Asyaha, Anayoho, Asam, Asyam, Anayoho, Asu. Now, based on this, we are going to see the 31st lesson of the first book of Sanskrit. कहाँ गया वो बुक? अच्छा यहाँ है. So others is that or this, and idam is this. Others is that and this. So same we are going to say asau, amu, ami, amun, amu, amun. Whatever I have shown, they are saying the same thing. So this is pullinga, then feminine noun, then comes neuter. The only one form has given adaha, amu, amuni. Dvitiya also will be the same, and the rest of the part will go like pullinga noun. The rest like a masculine they are saying. Idam sarvanam, the just now we had seen, it means this. For pullinga noun, it goes ayam, imau, ime, imam, imau, iman, etc. etc. Feminine also iyam, ime, imaha, imam, ime, imaha. Anayabhyamabhihi asyabhyamabhyah asyahabhyamabhyah asyaha anayoho asam asyam anayoho asu. And neuter gender idam, ime, imani, idam, ime, imani. And rest of the part like pullinga. Okay. Now let's go with new words. Akshama, feminine noun. Akshama means jealousy. Athava is an indeclinable word. Or. Urvashi, name of the celestial woman. Kadarya, a miser. कंजूस हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना उसको. कविशः, कविशः means the lord of poets, the chief of poets. Kila, kila is verily. Kru with alam, alam karoti to beautify, to add on. Garta, a pit. Gartam is hole, a pit. Gridrarajah is a Jatayu, a lord of vultures. Channaha, Channaha means covered or concealed. Javaha, Javaha is speed. Manojavam, Marutatulya Vegam. Javam means speed. Manojavam. Manavat Javaha Yasya Saha Manojav. Manojavaha. Tam manojaham aham vande, like that the shloka goes. Dukkhitaha. Dukkhitaha means sad, afflicted, or the sorry. Dasham is a visible. Devadaruhu is a species of pine, a kind of tree. Devadaru vriksha. Have you seen Devadaru? अमेरिका में बहुत रहता है ना देवदारू वृक्ष. Have you seen it? You are muted. You are on.
Yeah, they're everywhere. They're winter trees. So even by our house, many are there.
There are Devadaru.
In winter also they survive.
That is the Priya Vriksha of Parvati.
Oh.
The story comes
because
in.
she is a Parva. Her father is a
Himalaya, no?
Himavan. That's why she likes it.
There is a story. The story we had seen in Raghuvamsha, if you remember, in second canto. Actually, the shloka comes there. Putri krutau sau devadaru vrikshaha. Basically, she has made as a putra because she make him grow. She used to give water. She used to water and protect. She had kept a lion because the elephant they used to come, and whenever they used to feel kanduyanam, the kanduyanam means scratching their head and something, they used to come to Devadaru Vriksha, and because of their Tikshna Danta, they used to just remove the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, साल, बार क्या,
बार्क.
हाँ, उसके साल जो होती है ना ट्री की, तो हाथी निकाल लेता था. तो उसके लिए पार्वती जी ने उनका जो वाहन है सिंह, उस सिंह को बोला था कि आप अभी इसकी रक्षा करना, जो कोई आ जाए उसको आपका खाना बना लेना. तो the cow which were protected, who was protected by Raghu, suddenly goes to that jungle and that tree, nearby that tree, Devadaru tree. Then that Simha attacks on her. That story is there. Anyway.
kind of remember now. Oh my God.
Dhrutam means quickly, soon. Dhruta vilambitamahana bharau. Kind of vrittas is there. Dhrutam vilambitam. Dhrutam means quickly, and vilambitam means slowly. So that's the vritta goes like quick, sudden, quick, and again it becomes, slow, quick and slow. That kind of 1 meter is there. Dhruta vilambitam it is called. Putri kritah. So it is coming. See, made a son, adopted. Puraha means before. Puraha. Pushpadharin, having flowers. Purayati means to fill. Aham jalam chashake purayami. Jalena chashakam purayami, like that. Pradeyah, to be given in marriage. Okay. Pradeyah. Prabhavah, source. Priyatama, a beloved, dearest. Priya pravrittihi means intelligence about one's beloved. It's called Priya Vrittihi. Then comes Bhiksha. Bhiksha means alms. Okay.
Yeah.
Alms.
Alms. L is silent.
L is silent. Alms. Okay. Bhiruhu. Bhiruhu means timid woman. Bhiruhu means, any another word? Shy. Not shy. Bhiruhu, shy, na?
Scared.
Okay. A scared woman. But timid, it sounds like a little weird. Timid.
No, it is very commonly used word.
Okay.
Yeah. Timid means like, little bit scared only.
Madirakshi, a woman with the fascinating eyes. Acha, fascinating. Okay. Yal nahi ho. Eye hai. Fascinating eye. Okay. It looks like a yal. Madhukarah, a bee. Rathyah, horse. Viramati, to stop, to desist. Ritihi, a manner, a way. Latagruham, a bower of creepers. Latagruham. Varatanuhu is one whose form is elegant, handsome, beautiful. Elegant. Okay, not elegant. Elegant. Okay. Vasha is a wife, a mate. Vasa.
Wow, all these words are very new to me.
Even for me also. Vasha is wife. Vasa is a habitation or fence off. I don't know what is that. Vipriya.
Fence is like, you put around your house a compound wall or around a farmland, you put a fence. So no animals come in.
Okay, that gate
like
and the compound.
That metal kind of a.
Okay. That is called fence. But Vasa doesn't look like a fence. Anyway, if they have given, they might have some purpose. Vipriyaha. Priyaha, liked. Vipriyaha, disliked. Vichi means road. गल्ली बोलते हम, गल्ली को विची बोलते.
Even we also say गल्ली.
वृषभध्वजः, शिवः. व्याख्येयः, to be expounded.
I think it's like, to be extolled or something like that.
So व्याख्येयः विषयः, it is good to be said like that, explained like that. Shivalayah, a temple of Shiva. Sangatah, companionship, friendship. Sangamah, confluence. Sangamotsukah, eager for union. Sarangah, a kind of bird. Sahasam, an adventure. Stri Ratnam, a jewel among women. Swadu, swadu, delicious. Now with this, we'll go with sentences also, as much as we can do it. Idam asanam alankriyatam bhavata. Idam asanam alankriyatam.
By you, this seat, it should be decorated.
May this seat
be
decorated by you. Means
because this is a lot lakara.
Alankriyatam. Basically, so whenever the guest comes to the house, we shall request them by saying Bhavata idam asanam alankriyatam. Once you sit on the asanam, it would be decorated. Basically, this is a kind of saying this.
Really? I didn't really know that. I thought the sentence means they're asking somebody to decorate the seat.
No. It like आप उर्दू में कहते हैं ना तशरीफ रखिए करके, ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, तो इस आसन को तशरीफ रखिए करके, वैसे इस आसन का आप सम्मान करिए बेसिकली, तो आप इसके ऊपर बैठ के इस आसन को अलंकृत करिएगा.
ओके.
मृगस्य जवस्य अक्षमया इव अमीरथ्याः धावन्ति. This context belongs to the Dushyanta. Once he was running after the harinas, mrigas, to kill them, and he was on Ratha, and he was discussing with charioteer that mrigasya javasya akshamaya iva amirathyaha dhavanti. My horses, they are running unenduring, not enduring by the speed of mriga. So as though they are jealous of the speed of deers. Akshamaya iva. Akshama means jealous. As though my horses are being jealous of the speed of mriga. Means deer.
Java means horses?
No, speed. Rathyaha means horses.
So Rathya is
Mrigasya javasya akshamaya iva. So the speed of being jealous of the speed of mriga, deer. Amirathyaha, these horses, dhavanti, are running. तो ऐसा वर्णन आता है अभिज्ञान शाकुंतलम में कि राजा दुष्यंत मृगया के लिए अभी निकला है अपने सारथी को लेकर के, अपने अतिशय दौड़ने वाले घोड़े को साथ लेकर के रथ के ऊपर बैठ के वो दौड़ रहा है. तभी उनको एक हरिण दिखाई देता है और उसके पीछे अपने धनुष बाण ऐसा तान करके वो और सारथी को आदेश देता है कि हमारा रथ चलाओ. सारथी रथ चलाने लगता है तो घोड़े इतने स्पीड से दौड़ते हैं मानो वो उन हरणों के स्पीड से जेलस है. तो मतलब उनके हरणों के स्पीड बहुत होता है हरणों का, उससे भी भयंकर स्पीड से ये दौड़ रहे थे. तो तब ये सेंटेंस वो बोलता है दुष्यंत अपने सारथी को कि ये जो रथ्या है, ये जो हॉर्सेस है, ये मानो कि ये जेलस हो रहे उसके स्पीड से, हरणों के स्पीड से. अनया रीत्या व्याख्येयः अयं ग्रंथः. अयं ग्रंथः अनया रीत्या व्याख्येयः.
अयं ग्रंथः, this book, Anaya is by that.
Riti, Anaya, by this riti, by this way. By this
riti, Vyakheya, means like you expound it.
The text should be expounded with this way.
By you, by the in this way. Okay.
In this way.
Okay.
What's Virama asmat sahasat virama.
By my hey Vatsa, that is hey Vatsa. By our
not our
sahasa.
Asmat sahasat, by this venture.
Isn't that the Asmat Shabda? Asmat Shabda?
Asmat Shabda. Idam.
Asmat or Asmat?
It is Asmat. Asmat is Idam Sarvanam.
Oh my God, it's so confusing.
Asmat means this. Asmat sahasat virama. It is not Asmat Sarvanam, it is Idam Sarvanam.
So what does that mean?
So, एक मिनट में अभी Asmat, correct. Whatever I said is correct. So basically it means, oh child, oh son, stop being adventure, or you stop
this
from this venture. Okay. Amu tau taru yau yah apashyam.
Taru is horses or trees?
Two trees. These are the same trees, same two trees which I had seen yesterday.
Amu means here.
These are those two trees.
Okay.
Amu means these two trees are. ये है ना, ये जो
yesterday.
हाँ. अस्मै विदुषे ब्राह्मणाय दक्षिणां प्रयच्छ.
The by me to the by this.
तृतीया है ही नहीं वहां. त्वम् अस्मै विदुषे ब्राह्मणाय दक्षिणां प्रयच्छ.
What does asmai means here?
Asmai vidushe brahmanaya.
Oh, for this, knowers brahmanas.
Wise brahmana. Give the dakshina to the
dakshina.
This wise brahman.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the what is that shabda? Iyam shabda. I am.
Idam sarvanam.
Iyam sarvanam. What is the other one? Iyam and Adam.
Adas.
Adas and idam.
Okay. Anayoho kanyayoho sangatam me rochate.
These two ladies, he likes the companion.
I like the companion of these two girls.
These two women. But rochate, isn't it prathama purusha?
Me rochate na, I like. Me rochate means I like. I like what? I like the company of these two girls.
No, rochate is like vandate, like that. It is not
no, रोचते के योग में हमेशा चतुर्थी होती है. तो when I want to say I like, I will say me rochate, mahyam rochate. It is not like a aham roche, etc. It will go. It like a me rochate. Aham will not be used in this case along with this kriya pada. It is exceptional. When I want to say I like, I will say me mahyam rochate. मे और मह्यम. इमं सारंगम प्रिया प्रवृत्तये अभ्यर्थये.
Sarangam is bow.
No, sarangam here is a bird. The
Oh,
saranga
bird.
paksha. हाँ.
This
अब
bird.
अभ्यर्थये, I request. अभ्यर्थये. Okay. So I request the imam sarangam priya pravruttaye. So basically, I request this saranga for his priya pravrutti. Priya pravrutti means was that special for the intelligence about one's beloved. So I request that he shall get the priya pravrutti. Okay, my priya pravrutti, let's say I request the saranga to give me the intelligence of my beloved. My beloved, yeah, my beloved person.
I have no idea what that means.
So basically, in the olden time, there used to be messengers like a form of either some bird or something. Like Saranga was a special pakshi, special bird. He used to pass the message.
Oh, so they're saying that may this bird give my message to my beloved?
No. May I request to the Saranga to explain or to give the message about my beloved. So he shall tell me what is going on there. He shall explain me.
He needs to bring that information and tell me.
So how is my, basically it might be from Meghaduta. I don't know. Not Meghaduta, something else. मेघदूत में तो सारंग पक्षी का वर्णन आता है, लेकिन उस दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप सारंग पक्षी को नहीं बोलते हो ना. तो कई शायद कोई प्रियकर होगा जिसके पास सारंग पक्षी बैठा होगा और उसने देखा होगा और वो बोलता है कि ओ डियर प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन विथ माय. ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज जी का एक अभंग है वैसा. एंड वंस it is called Shakuna Shastra. When the crow, it start, making sound. है ना, काक का जो आवाज होता है, काव काव काव. यदि किसी के घर के ऊपर बैठ के वो आवाज करता है ना, तो बेसिकली इट इज द इंडिकेशन दैट द सम गेस्ट आर गोइंग टू विजिट. ऐसा बोला जाता है. ऐसा होता है या नहीं पता नहीं, लेकिन ऐसा कहते हैं. सो ही रिक्वेस्टेड, ओ काऊ, ओ काक, I will give you the pind, I will give you the rice ball for you. Please tell me about my Pandharinath when he is going to visit me. So this is how he says, पहिलं तोगे काऊ कोकता आहे, शकून गे माये सांगत आहे. उडरे उडरे काहू तुझे सोन्याने मडवीन पाहू. He says, I will make a ornaments for you, a golden ornaments for your legs. Please tell me what is the message for me, what is the message of my Priya Vithala. Please tell me regarding that. He explains very nicely. The big abhanga is that.
So nice.
So it is like that only.
Which saint was that? Who wrote that?
Jnaneshwarji, Sant Jnaneshwar.
Wow.
Who has written the Jnaneshwari, the commentary upon Bhagavad Gita.
Wow.
And he took the Samaji at the age of 24. He completed all the works. He completed Jnaneshwari by writing 9,000 verses. He completed another Vedanta Grantha, which is called Amrutanubhava, the experience of nectar, in the sense Mukti. Then he wrote even Sangdeva Pasashti, the Upadesha for Yogi. And he wrote even many abhangas which are known as Hari Patha and many such works.
Do they have it in music form, those abhangas?
Yeah. It's available on YouTube. If you put Hari Patha, you will get it.
Hari Patha.
Ayam sahte tishtati sangamotsukah. Let's finish the next few sentences.
Ayam sate tishtati sangam utsukah.
Let
it go.
And विशंक से भीरु यतोवधीरणाम, एक ही सेंटेंस है वो पूरा. So ayam purushah, ayam sah, this is the same purusha, means ayam sah purushah tishtati sangamotsukah. So basically, O timid, O bhiru, timid matlab bhiru, O bhiru, here is the person from you suspect a refuel standing eager for your compassionship. So basically, I am waiting for your company. This is how he is explaining. Amum purah pashyasi devadarum putri krutau sau vrishabadhvajena. Here is the same said by one to another about the tree which was great favorite with the Shiva. Okay, Devadaru Vriksha की कहानी. Amum purah pashyasi devadarum पुत्रीकृतः असौ वृषभध्वजेन. So basically, the tree you are seeing in front of you, right? That Devadaru tree is adopted by Vrishabhadhvaja.
By Shiva.
By Shiva. Yes. Next. Sri Ratneshu mama urvashi priyatama yuthe tava iyam vasha.
Among the women, Sri Ratneshu, Vashi means what? Mama Avashi.
Sri Ratneshu. Now here Sri Ratneshu, some story might be there, na? A dental consultant. ये कहाँ से आ गए? स्टार देने का क्या प्रयोजन है? The sentence marked with with an asterisk on this end of the next page are spoken by the king, who, while enjoying the company of his beloved wife in grove, suddenly loses her by some miraculous occurrence and wanders about asking birds and beasts whether they can give him any intelligence about it.
It is by some miraculous occurrence.
Occurrence.
See, okay.
Occurrence.
Something you know about this story? I don't know about this.
There is again one. I think विक्रमोर्वशीय स्टोरी है, कालिदास जी ने लिखा हुआ जो महाकाव्य है, उसमें ये स्टोरी है. विक्रम, he was enjoying the company of the lady Urvashi, and suddenly she disappears, something like that. It is because of some shapa or something, she disappears, and then he goes like a Rama only. He asks everyone, a tree and birds and everyone. He just asks for where is my beloved, where is my beloved. So here he is asking, Stri Ratneshu mama urvashi priyatama yuthe tava iyam vasha. Among all the pretty women, Urvashi is my most beloved. Yuthe tava iyam vasha. And like she is like what? Yuthe in the elephant, Yutha matlab samuha. So in the samuha of elephant, the I don't know what is the context, but here he is explaining, like is your vasha, like as your vasha means wife. So basically he's speaking with elephant. So, oh elephant, like your wife, she is very liked, she is liked by you. She is very, beloved to you. In the same way, my Priyatama Urvashi is like Sri Ratneshu Mama Priyatama Mama Vashi. Let's read the explanation. Where is that?
Where do you read the explanation?
The book has the explanation.
I
Right.
need to get this book. I don't know how to get this book. Oh, but it is in Hindi.
No, it is in English. Hindi also, Marathi also, English also. Hindi is
What
not
is
there.
the same book? Learn Sanskrit in 32 days?
The same. Okay, the 32 days is it is not there in title, because there were 32 lessons. That's how I used to put as 32 days. It is
So what does it say in
the first book of Sanskrit. Okay, so here he is saying, among all the pretty women, Urvashi is my most beloved, just as this she elephant among the herd of elephants is to you. वो इंग्लिश भी बहुत पुरातन इंग्लिश है, पता नहीं चलता क्या पढ़ रहे हो. तो बेसिकली आप एलिफेंट के समूह में आपकी पत्नी जैसे आपको प्रिय है, वैसे ही ऑल दी वुमेन्स में, सभी वुमेन्स में ये उर्वशी मेरी प्रियतमा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट. मधुकरः मदिराक्षा शंस तस्याः प्रवृत्तिम् वरतनुः अथवा असौ नैव दृष्टा त्वया मे.
Madhukara is B.
ओ मधुकरः.
ओ मधुकरः मधुराक्ष्याः
तस्याः प्रवृत्तिं शंस, प्रवृत्तिं वार्तां शंस. So, O Madhukara, O B, you please tell me about the intelligence about Madhiraksha, the lady whose glance or whose, what was that word? Drishti, eyes. क्या था वो मधुराक्षा? Madhurakshi, a woman with the fascinating eyes. So that is the. You tell me about the. You tell the varta. You tell the news of that lady whose eyes are fascinating. वरतनुः अथवा असौ नैव दृष्टा त्वया मे. Okay. Either you tell me the news of that, or tell me that you had not seen her.
Oh, the same sentence continues.
Continues. So, athava naiva drishta tvaya me. So basically, either you say you saw her, or you tell me that you did not see her. Okay. There are people, they are catching dogs.
Oh, yeah. Now? They're catching dogs?
That's how they're taking them. They take somewhere and they take from gullies. Anyway, I don't know where they let them, keep them.